Now for the peplum, I will use this to cut it out. The half length is 17.5 inches. So the length of the blouse is 25 inches. If you minus 17.5 from 25 inches, the rest will remain 7.5 inches. So this will be the size of the peplum, 7.5 inches, okay? Now, the length here is 10.5. So I'll make this 10.5 round. I'll take it round. I'll use this side so that while I'm cutting out, remember the fabric should be folded into four. This is a full flay. 720 degrees is 360 times 2. That is, I will cut out 360 degrees peplum. That is the basic of multiple degrees, okay? The first step is to get the 360 degree. From there, you can get 720, 1080. You can add as many. Just continue joining several flay together. That will give you what you want, okay? So I'll go ahead and mark from this tip here. I'll take the length here is 10.5 inches. I will take it round. Just go ahead and connect the lines together. I'll just use this as an example, then I'll place it because I know this will not give me the length I want. I will extend it while cutting it. Okay. Now my waist measurement is 33 inches. So to get the radius, what you need to do, the standard way of getting it, just your waist measurement, which is 33 inches, divided by 6.28. So if I divide 33 inches by 6.28, I have 5.32. That is just approximately 5.5 inches. So to get this 5.5 inches, because it's a multiple, I'm cutting the flay into two. I will not divide it into 6.28. I will divide it into 12.4. Okay, so if I divide it, what I need is 33 divided by 12.4. So my waist measurement, which is 33 divided by 2.6, okay, that is 2 3/4. 2.6, that is this point here before 3/4, the point before 3/4, okay, that should be the radius, okay. So I mark the radius. So this is what I have here. So the leftover I have here is 8 inches. So this is okay. The length here is okay. You can see. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. I have to blend it very well. Now this is the mark here. I'll go ahead. You can see what I have here is 8 inches. But I'll still extend it because it will not give me what I want. If I fold it in, it will shorten the length, okay. So I'll just cut this out and use it as a pattern to cut out the main fabric. So this is the pattern I'll use to cut out the two different peplum. So this is what I have. I've already folded my fabric into 4 and I'll place it. Remember, I'll add extra 1 inch, okay. I'll add 1 inch. Okay, so I'll go ahead and use this to cut out the second peplum before I remove the radius. Now I'll place it on the fabric to cut out the second one. Remember, while placing it, the single side should go to the single side and the double side should go to the double side, okay. Make sure the peplum is aligned Then go ahead and cut it out. Now I've cut out the two peplum. This is the first one, 360, 360. So put together we have 760 degrees flare. Okay. The next thing I'll do is to cut out the radius. Remember I added extra 1 inch. So I'll go ahead and cut out the radius. Okay. Okay, after cutting it out, I'll just open the first layers. This is for one, this is one, this is another one. Just open up one side of the folded part and one side of the second folded part. So all together like this we have, so this it, can see 720 degrees. So what I'll do is just place the right side. The right side should face together. Then I'll close up one edge. Okay. So what I'll do is just close up one side of it. After closing it up, we have full flare here. At this point, you can see the peplum is very full. Okay. So what I'll do next is to cut out exactly what I have here to be the lining. This one needs to be 1 inch longer. Okay. So for the lining, I will use this to cut out the lining. So I'll go ahead and cut out the lining. So these are the two linings. Just go ahead and open up one side. So you must make sure that the side you are opening is the same with both of them. The same side. You cannot open this side and start opening the other side. So you can see we have the line. Now after which I will make sure the side you join is the same side you join with the fabric. Okay. So the next thing I will do now is to turn it with my lining. Okay. Look at, okay, this is the front of the fabric. Why this is the back? Huh? You place the lining on top of the fabric. Okay. You are placing it like so. This is for the turning of the lining. Then this is the crinoline. You attach it like so with hemming gum. You sew with the hemming gum. Okay. And see what I'm doing. So by the time I join the two peplum together, I will turn it. When turning it with the lining, this is how we'll turn it. Okay. To get a beautiful structured peplum. Okay. So I'll go now and do it. After which I'll show you the next thing we'll be doing. So guys, you can see the peplum. This is 720 degrees peplum. I used crinoline to make it standing, to make it have the standing structure. You can see how it looks so beautiful. The next thing to join will be the peplum. Okay, so this is the peplum. I've already joined the lining. Remember, we added crinoline and hemming gum to make it to stick to the fabric. Okay, so I'll go ahead and join this peplum to the main body. So note this, while shaping the dress, always remove half an inch from the lining for ease. So if you do the fabric, the main measurement, then the lining, always remove half an inch so that it will not have any issue. Okay, the lining needs to be free than the dress. It's very important. So I'll go ahead and join the peplum. So I'll sew through and I'll show you the next thing. So after which I'll show you the next thing we'll be doing. So guys, I've joined the peplum to the blouse. You can see how it looks so beautiful. So I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give a thumbs up, share to your friends. Keep watching for more designs and bye until I see my next video.